Hey guys, Dr. Ennis at Ennis Plastic Surgery here in Boca Raton, Florida. Today we're going to talk about the nose and specifically what it is about a nose that people perceive as being pretty. So let's talk about the nose. What are the proportions of the nose? What are the proportions of the face that we look at that people perceive as being pretty? When you see a model in front of a magazine, and what is it that makes her look nice? Well, there's some very specific things that people perceive as being pretty. So when you look at the nose specifically from the front, a couple things we look at. One is you want a really nice, pretty sweeping line that sweeps down off the brow like this. So we have this nice angle and nice contour of the nose. We also want the width of the nose to fit within the inside corners of the eyes here. The width of the eyes and the width of the nose should all be equal thirds here. And then on the sides of the nose, when you look at the profile, we want a nice pretty line that comes down and turns up just slightly at the end. And we also want the angle of the nose and the upper lip to be somewhere between 90 and 110 degrees. So these are all things we look at when we're redoing a nose or doing a rhinoplasty to achieve those nice contours that people perceive. So here you can see the nose is quite wide. So what we want is a nicer sweeping line like this, which you can see has been achieved in this picture here, where the nasal bones have been brought in so that now she has a nice sweep down from the nose. The width of the nose fits nicely in between the corners of the eyes. And here she has almost a double hump, which is gone with the appropriate 90 to 110 degree angle here. So those are just some of the things we look at when we look at a nose. We're trying to achieve a prettier nose that matches the proportions of somebody's face.